So here we have this super cool wrapping paper cutter. Now this thing works great, but it does have a pretty big problem, and I'll show you that after I show you how easy it is to use it. First, we're gonna need a nice roll of wrapping paper. Then we're gonna take the cutter and slot it in here like that. Now, as you can see, it makes it really easy to roll out the paper. Once you get it rolled out to where you want it, you're just gonna slide the tool back and slip it into the cutter slot right here, just like that. Then all you gotta do is hold onto the paper and slide it through. And that was super easy, and now we got a nice clean cut piece of wrapping paper that we can use to wrap up a present. Also, if you needed to cut it this way, you can roll it up like this to where you want it, slot that cutter in, and cut it all the way down. There you go, super easy. Scissors probably would have worked better for that though. Now, like I showed, this thing is great and makes it super easy to cut those small rolls of wrapping paper. But if you use these thicker rolls, this is just one I've had laying around for a few years. As you can see, it's quite a bit thicker. You're gonna have some problems trying to use this on here. It's just really tight on here and doesn't slide very well because the wrapping paper is too thick. So if you're just using the small rolls like this and not the big ones, then the cutter works great.